Go get your puppy. Good boy, Cody. Get him. Well, get him. What is he doing, JJ? Go get him. You like the lights, huh? Oh, Cody. Go play with JJ. Go play with JJ. Go play with him. He loves you. Okay, all done.